Buddy, today we're going to go over how to create a Google Drives account on your computer. Now when you open up Google, you will usually be signed in. If not, all you got to do is click add another account and take it to the steps. Google will walk you through creating your own account. It's very easy, very foolproof, and you can set that up as you go. Now, once you're signed in the top right hand side, you will see these 9 dots put together in a square. You're going to want to select that, and from there you will have all of your different options of things you'd want to click. Now, just on the side you'll see Google Drive. Select that, and it will take you to this page showing you your Google Drive account. However, if you don't want to go through and make a complete Google account, what you can do is just go straight to Google Drive, then go all the way to your side where your profile is, click on that, select add another account, and then create an account from there. And just as before, it's very easy, very foolproof. Google will walk you through it step by step, and you can have it set up in under 5 minutes. I hope you guys found that helpful. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing and leaving a like.